Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen on this device. First of all, you need to select one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, in my case Play Store. Then click on this button with 3 lines and tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app. Now select split screen from the list and click on the other one, in my case settings. As you can see now, I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!